The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a marvelous set of cameras. The highlight of the phone's camera system is its 200 megapixels primary camera. However, the device suffers from shutter lag in its 200 megapixels mode, which could lead to missed moments. However, Samsung has a solution to that problem. Samsung has an updated version of the Camera Assistant app for the Galaxy S23 series. The Good Lock module for in-depth camera settings and customizations offers additional capture speed options for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, regular resolution, and higher resolution. For regular resolution, 12.5 megapixels, you can set the camera app to prioritize quality, balance quality, and speed, or prioritize speed. For higher resolution modes, 50 or 200 megapixels, you can set the camera to prioritize quality or speed. If you are unhappy with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's shutter lag in the 200 megapixels mode, you can use the Camera Assistant app to set the phone to prioritize speed. This will drastically reduce the shutter lag that you can notice in the 200 megapixels mode otherwise. However, it will also bring down the image quality. We are not sure whether this option will also be offered to previous generation Galaxy smartphones. Apart from this, Galaxy S23 pre-order customers who have ordered the new flagship phone from Samsung's website in the USA with the intention of using the device on T-Mobile's network ran into an issue that caused them to lose network access on their current devices and SIM cards. Many Galaxy S23 customers took to Reddit for answers, fearing that they become subjects to SIM swap attacks in light of a recent T-Mobile data breach. But it turns out that Samsung is at fault. An internal T-Mobile document has now surfaced, explaining the cause of the problem. Due to a bug in Samsung's system, the company has activated the internal eSIM function on the Galaxy S23 before shipping the phone to pre-order customers. Hence, affected users lose network access on their current devices and SIM cards. The problem occurs even when SIM protection is enabled. The good news is that the issue appears to affect only a small batch of Galaxy S23 phones, so not everyone ordering a new Galaxy S23 from Samsung for T-Mobile's network has encountered this early eSIM activation issue. And thankfully, affected customers haven't had their SIMs swapped by malicious parties. Furthermore, affected Galaxy S23 buyers that got disconnected from T-Mobile's network can solve the issue by getting in touch with the carrier's support line and explaining the situation. Since this issue affected a small batch of Galaxy S23 phones, and given that there is a solution to the problem, you probably shouldn't be worried if you want to pre-order the Galaxy S23 now. But if you want to be extra safe, you can skip pre-ordering from the Samsung online shop and go straight to T-Mobile's website, where the carrier offers some pretty sweet pre-order deals for the Galaxy S23, including up to a $1,000 discount with trade-in. If you got S23 Ultra, then definitely try it out. For more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.